Hey, good morning. Good morning. We are on Old Country Road. And it's Friday. Look how nice it is. We had some bad storms the other day, so I'm expecting there to be a little bit of debris on this road. I want to say so far so good, but I hate it when I jinx myself. Today's ride, I'm going to finish up what I didn't do on, I guess it was Monday. It had to have been Monday that I did War Woman in 28. I was going to take 28 all the way up to Deals Gap. But after about 3 hours of sitting on this bike, I was on the Monster, I was done. I was hurt. I can tell you, I'm getting old. Amazon's not helping either. It is keeping me in shape. But there are days I leave that Amazon facility and I'm just a hurting unit. Today I felt pretty good when I left, so I said I'm gonna go for a ride. This ride's gonna finish off these tires. The back tire's not so bad. The front tire's not great. I'm really having to work the bike to get it through the turns. Oh, that's no bueno. that Wednesday and Thursday, it rained hard here. And then around noon on Thursday, the sun popped out, dried everything up. So, which was good. If you follow me closely, you saw what I did on Wednesday. Wednesday I posted up videos of me servicing a 2024 Subaru Outback. I think it was a touring model. I will say the Subaru was a lot easier to wrench on than I was expecting. I was thinking that car was going to give me nothing but problems. And it might have taken me 10 minutes to change the oil, 5 minutes to do the air filter, another 5 minutes to do the cabin air filter, maybe 15 minutes to rotate the tires and check the air pressure. I know I had the car for less than 2 hours and I did all that. Sent it home. The owner's got a trip next week, so she wanted to be safe. And like a lot of people who I wrench on their motorcycles, there's a few people who actually trust me with their stuff. For a Friday, this was a pretty good run going through Murphy Road. I'm coming into a construction zone, so I'm going to kill the video here. And I'm going to catch you on the next one when I hit 28. Hey, hit that thumbs up button for me. See you later.